In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to customize PDF templates for sales and purchase transactions in Zoho Books. This is a particularly useful tool if you want to create more personal and professional transactional documents fitting your brand's unique style. Starting off, we need to navigate our way into the settings. You can find the access to this in the top right corner of the Zoho Books interface. Once in settings, observe the array of options available before you. Our area of interest lies within the customization section. From here, you need to select the option that says PDF templates. Now that we're in the heart of the customizing process, depending on your desired action, your next step may vary. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see various modules like invoices, sales orders, and purchase orders. From these modules, select the one you want to customize. After selection, if you want to tweak an existing template, just hover over it and click on the edit available. Alternatively, if you wish to fabricate a fresh one, click on the New button, which will allow you to choose a base template that you can then modify to your satisfaction. After we've selected or created our template, let's proceed to customize it while using the inbuilt editor in Zoho Books. You've got a handful of template sections you can customize to your specifications. Firstly, you can manage both the header and the footer sections. You can add or remove information such as the organization's address, customer address, and even place placeholders for dynamic fields. Secondly, the transaction details is equally manipulable. Here, you get to decide how much or how little of the invoice details are visible. You can choose whether to show fields like invoice date, terms, reference fields, and others. Moreover, the item table within the template lets you customize the columns to display various data points like item name, quantity, and description as per your preference. In the Totals section of the template, adjusting the visibility and labels for subtotal and total amounts is possible and recommended. Finally, the general settings usually allow changes in paper size, font settings, and orientation for your document to truly align with your brand's identity. Lastly, after you've put all the finishing touches to the perfect sales or purchase transaction PDF template, it's time to save your work. Simply click on the Save button, and voila, your template is ready. If you're happy with it and intend to use this for future transactions, go ahead and set it as default. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to customize PDF templates for your sales and purchase transactions in Zoho Books. Using these methods, your templates can emulate your business's branding and make your transactions look more professional and personalized.